So today we're going to take a look at how you can change the size of text on your Kindle tablet. So it's pretty simple. All we want to do is find our settings app, which is about here, and we're going to click on that. Once we're in our settings, we want to look for something called accessibility. All we want to do is scroll down to find that. Click on accessibility. Once we click accessibility, it will be under the vision settings subtitle, and here it is. We click on font size. And currently we're at default. If we click the A here to go up, you'll see that it jumps to large text. If we click the A again, you'll see it jumps to largest. When you do this, it might take a few seconds just to do it, but it's got all the things on screen and that. This may make some apps like a bit different, or things don't look as like put together as they would before, like the text may be outside of some boxes and what have you. But that's how you do it. Once you've done that, just simply go home, and you'll see now that your text is bigger than it is before. Hope you found that useful. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.